Hi, it's Joan. This week we're looking at responding one no trump after partner has opened the bidding. Well, although that's taught right at the beginning, it actually is quite a complex response because responding in no trumps may be balanced and it might not be balanced. So if partner opens, say, a heart and it goes pass and you bid one no trump, you've shown 6 to 10, sometimes 11 points, and you deny a fit, but your hand might be balanced, but it also could be wildly unbalanced. It also would deny 4 spades. So you could have a hand that was 3-2-4-4, but you could also have a hand that had a long diamond suit or a long club suit, and you didn't have enough points to be able to tell partner by bidding 2 of your suit in the first place. Well, when you bid one no trump, partner knows, and often they'll describe their shape after that. If they're single suited, they'll bid their suit again. If they're 2 suited, they'll show you their second suit. But what happens when the opponents actually interfere? Well, sometimes if it's a preemptive overcall, they're just trying to take your space. But you still can't bid as responder if you're forced to bid at the high 2s or the 3 level without a decent hand. So you're better to pass and let the bidding come around to partner to see whether partner can actually keep the bidding going. They might want to just pass and you defend, or they might want to make a reopening double, or they might have 2 clear suits that they want to tell you. Then once partner lets you know they want to keep going, now you can show your stopper in their suit and a limited number of points because they have forced you to bid. There's quite a difference. Anyway, have a look at the hand I've given you, see how you go, and have a great week, everyone. East has made a weak jump overcall over partner's 1 diamond. Well, you've got 4 queens, that's 8 points. And you do have a heart stopper, but you can't possibly bid at this point because it would sound strong to bid 2 no trumps now. So just pass and see what happens. Partner makes a double, a reopening double, meaning they are stronger than minimum and they would like you to bid. So we would make the logical bid of 2 no trumps, promising a stopper in hearts. They've gone to game. So on the 5 of hearts lead, we know that East will have 6 hearts. So the 5 will be a singleton. And what to do? If we play the 10, they'll probably play their jack, but try the king. And now we know that our queen 10-9 is sitting over the jack. They're switching to spades because there's no point in continuing hearts. Win the spade. We would like to take the diamond finesse. So the way to do that is to cross over to the club queen and now take the finesse by playing the queen. Now a low one to the jack. Now, in order to get back to our hand, we might take a slight risk of playing the 10 of hearts. They play the 4, so we will play the queen, overtake it, because we want to take this diamond finesse again. And play the ace of diamonds. There's the king, 7, 8 tricks, 9 tricks, and we'll take 10 tricks because West wins the ace, and although they've got a club winner, they will now play another spade, and we actually made 10 tricks. So the bidding, it would be not correct to bid immediately over 2 hearts because that would show about 10, 11 points, and we've only got 4 queens. Anyway, the bidding worked nicely and we made 10 tricks.